action. This is my son, Peyton, and this is his twin sister, Zoe, with her green little eyes. And this is the Corvette that we're going to be washing today. Peyton, is this a Z06 monster?
Yeah.
I just did a race here in Colorado Springs like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Trapped 160. See how dirty it is. Got 20 pounds of nitrous back there. Start it up for you once it's clean. Someone's trying to steal the show with their little green eyes. But this is my baby, besides my babies. Low to the ground, drag radials in T05Rs, and we'll get it started to wash. Okay, so whenever I wash it, first thing I do is I always rinse it off with the pressure washer. I just have a Harbor Freight, nothing special. Then I'll let these guys play with the water pressure. Good job, guys. Good job. And then I use the foam cannon, and I'll show you what I use with that. So it's a 50-50 of Meguiar's Detail Professional Choice Shampoo Plus. This stuff's really awesome. And then I got this for Christmas. Carbonated wash and wax.
The purple soap.
And then I put it in here, and it turns purple, pink, and blue. And then I'll show you what it looks like coming out of the cannon.
What's that, Daddy?
So here it is, purple, and then just attach this to the foam cannon. Let's get the soap on there first, Zoe.
Why, Daddy?
Like so. And then, show you what it looks like. We get that tube, Zoe?
Yeah. Uh-oh. It's so
Okay, we get it. It's going to come out the back of the car. See where you get it? Peyton, watch out. Okay. As you can see, suds up pretty good. Hey, buddy, get out the soap. Cord's butt so long is the only downfall of the pressure washer, but as you can see, foamed up pretty good. So this is it after I've washed all the suds off. I still have to go through and hand dry it. I think hand drying is a big portion of the car looking good when it gets washed. I'll come back here and clean that up, get the rest of the suds out. My inspector Zoe. But here's this. Do one more rinse and then I'll hand dry. So here she is done and dry. Nope. Not bad looking for a 12-year-old poverty vet, as I like to call it. I go through and get these last little runoffs. My driveway's a bit on the slope. Zoe, stay out of the road. Zoe, come here. Paint's pretty good. I mean, you see it shows its age when you're up on it. But above all, the car's fast, and that's all I really want out of it. The kids love it. I've got more money into it than it'll ever be worth. I thoroughly enjoy it. I'll pull it in the garage and wipe down the wheels. But yep, that's it. Okay, so here's the car done in the garage. I used a lot of chemical guy stuff. What's on the wheels and tires. It's a water-based tire shine, so it has more of a new tire look than just like a gloss tire spray. But I know my garage is messy. It's my car. And hope you like watching.